Fish on as soon as it hit the bottom. It's Monday, January 19th. I'm out here. Got a pretty good bluegill here.
Now take down your fishing pole and meet me at the fishing hole. We may not get a bite all day, but don't you rush away. What a great place to rest your bones, and mighty fine for skipping stones. You'll feel fresh as a lemonade sitting in the shade. Whether it's hot, whether it's cool, oh, what a spot for whistling like a fool.
What a fine day to take a stroll and wander by the fishing hole.
Well, I can't think of a better way to pass the time of day.
We'll have no need to call the roll when we get to the fishing hole.
There'll be you, me, and old dog Trey to doodle time away. Man, it's so nice out here. I wouldn't care if I was fishing with a naked hook.
Well, old buddy, you might as well be fishing with a naked hook. No more fishing you've caught.
Oh, you reckon you're ever gonna catch one?
Caught more than you have. No fishing rascal.
I ain't gonna have to take your fish off for you, am I, today, you know?
That's the only way you're gonna get fish smell on your hand.
Pass me one of them cold ones, would you? Hanging around, taking our ease, watching that hound scratching at his fleas. If we don't hook a perch or bass, we'll cool our toes in dewy grass, or else pull up a weed to chaw and maybe sit and jaw. Come on, take down your fishing pole and meet me at the fishing hole. I can't think of a better way to pass the time of day.
Man, I about had enough of this.
Got ourselves a minnow and a gold maggot on there. Hoping catfish will come over there.
Take down your fishing pole and meet me.
Got base camp over here.
I can't think of a better way to pass the
Joe's gonna try and catch himself another bluegill. Probably caught about 50 so far. Oh, there we go. Joe in action here. We're reeling them in like trained pigs.
Oh, somebody else? Oh, you got
Oh, yeah.
fish now? Yeah. Y'all pushing us out of our hole. Well, you good now? Do what you want. Yeah, y'all fine. Just stay right over there. You believe that, Darryl?
Do what you want. I can't think of a better way to pass the time of day.
Brother, it's a long road from Amistad to Toho. Doesn't matter which way you go, the miles are all the same. But when you finally get there, and when you pull the cover off, then it's time to get a little bit lost out on the lake. Gonna back this boat into the water, find a way to win a couple dollars. Weatherman says there's a cold front coming down. Bring it on, I've seen it all by now. I can catch them shallow, I can catch them deep. Open water on the back of the creek. Wind and rain to me, it's all the same. I make it.
You got one? Oh yeah. Got a little bluegill. Ladies and gentlemen, we got another.
Oh boy. Ooh, channel catfish.
Nice channel cat.
We're out here at Zrinski. It's January 18th, 2015. And we've been catching bluegill out in the middle of Zrinski. Me, Dad, and Jonah. And we all hooked onto something big and lost it so far. Dad's got himself a good channel catfish here under the ice.
Into the water, found a way